Anker's MagCube is one of the classic 3-in-1 chargers, and it just has such a cool look to it with the folding cube, and the fact that the watch charger just pops out of the side is also super neat. This gives you the ability to charge your iPhone at 15 watts of power on the front, and then it's also made for watch certified for 5 watts of power for the watch on the side. And then on the back, it's even got a wireless charging pad for your AirPods. So this allows you to keep the Apple trifecta charge really conveniently. In the box, you also get a nice 30-watt power adapter that even has the fold-up prongs on the back. So this is going to be super portable, and you get a nice 5-foot long USB-C to USB-C cord. The MagCube has a single USB-C port on the back of it that keeps the whole thing powered. And I really love the design on this. It just looks so cool, and it never gets old to have that Apple Watch charger that just pops out on the side. This was one of the first 3-in-1 stands that supports 15 watts of charging for your iPhone from the pad on the front. But the thing to note about this is it's actually not a Qi 2 certified charging pad. It's just an Apple certified 15-watt charger. So this is not going to be quite as backwards compatible with other devices, but it's going to do an amazing job at keeping any iPhone from the 12 or newer charged. I've been testing this one extensively, and it does a great job at keeping all my devices charged. I love the fact that it's able to fold up so easily for transport. It's just super compact, although it is kind of chunky when you compare it to the iPhone, and this also weighs just under a pound. It does have a little bit of a hefty feel to it. The MagCube 3-in-1 goes for $130, which is a premium price when you compare it to some of the other 3-in-1 chargers. I think with this one, what you're really paying for is just the fact that it folds up into such a cool looking cube. It's really the design. If you like the design on this one, then you should buy it because it is really compact, but it's not quite as compact as I would like it to be to throw it in a backpack. It's going to do just fine for throwing it in a duffel bag or a suitcase, but if you want something that's going to fit a little bit better in a backpack, I recommend the newer Anker 3-in-1 folding charging stand, because that one's a little bit slimmer. It's more about the size of an iPhone than this whole big charger, and it also comes with a 40-watt power adapter as well, and it supports Qi 2 charging and not just 15 watts of charging on the front of it. So I really recommend the MagCube 3-in-1 for anyone who wants to keep the Apple trifecta charged, but really only if you want the cube design. If you're not set on the cube design, I would really recommend looking into the new Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charging stand. It has Qi 2 speeds, and it's just a little bit slimmer and a little bit better for travel. The MagCube is still relevant in 2024. It just doesn't have some of those nice new updated features like the Qi 2 charging of the newer one. This does a great job whether you use your phone vertically or if you put it on its side to use the always on display on the iPhone 14 or 15 Pro. One small complaint about this: when you do press the watch charger out, you do have to pull it out. It doesn't just pop out all the way, but this is a very minor issue. Another thing that I've been very happy with this is the AirPods really stay in place well on this charger, and you just notice center them exactly on the back of this. If you have any other questions about the Anker MagCube 3-in-1 charger, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. And if you're interested in buying one of these, I have links to buy it in the description below.